Hey everyone, Dr. Chris Roble here with the Physio Room, and I'm with Coach Jacob, and today we're at Backcountry CrossFit. So today we're going to show you how to properly roll out the lower extremity here. So we're going to talk calf, hamstring, glute, quad, and TFL today. So let's go through all that. Let's start with our calf here. So as you come down, you can go ahead and put both legs on. This is going to go for most muscles that we do today. You can do both legs. As you feel better, you can cross one leg over the top of the other here, and you can find that. And what you're going to do is you're going to find a knot through there. You can just sit on that knot. As you sit on that knot, you can kind of pin it, and then you can floss that back and forth. Foam roller is a great option. You also have the kettlebell option here as well. Once you get in, you find that knot, you can just put that in there and just kind of pin that knot down and floss that back and forth. That's going to help you with some mobility. If you don't have that, you can grab a lacrosse ball here. Same kind of thing there, and you just kind of pin that down, find that knot. You could cross one leg over the opposite there and really dig in right there. That's going to be an advanced version there. Make sure you start with the foam roller. So the next thing we're going to do, let's go up to hamstring there. And again, you can start with a double leg. You can go in and you can roll. Again, you're going to find some tightness there. As you start getting better, maybe you're going to cross one leg over the other, and you just really start to mobilize that. This is going to help loosen up tissue. It's going to help you recover faster so you can get back into your workouts quicker. So as you do that, again, you can find that same kind of knot and pin it. So moving on, we're going to come into that figure four stretch. You're going to turn a quarter roll over onto that outside hip there, and then you're going to find that knot there. And so again, as you find those knots, you can sit on them, you can roll them. It can be real tiny movements. You don't want to go real big and really put a lot of torque through your shoulder, but we're going to just go ahead and release those tissues right there. And again, advanced versions, you can take that lacrosse ball and get in there. But next thing we want to do, we can go into those quads. The quads are a big one for us here with knee pain. So as you do this, you can go double leg here. You can go on all four sides of those quad muscles, right? So you got two in the middle, you got one on the outside, you got one on the inside. So as you do that, you can kind of roll on that inside there and get through that. You can roll on the outside there. And then as we start getting in and you're rolling on this outside of the quad muscle, that's just fine. But as you start to come down, your femur actually comes out. There's a little, what we call an epicondyle right there. That's where the IT band comes over the top of that bone. And a lot of people end up rolling that. You do not want to roll this outside part of this knee right here, because you're not going to change any tissue length with that fascia right there. So, and instead of rolling on the outside there, you want to take that lacrosse ball. So feel your hip bone right here. Feel your hip bone. You're going to come down and just come over, and there's going to be a little muscle on the outside of your hip right here, and it's going to come from about here to here. It's about a 3-inch muscle there, and you're going to find that, and you're going to roll that with a lacrosse ball. You could do that with a foam roller. It's just not quite as pinpoint specific enough. So as you get in with the lacrosse ball, you're really going to feel that right there, and that's going to help you release some of that tension that muscle is using to pull on that. So if you have any questions about that, please talk to one of your coaches. If you got any further questions outside of that, please give us a call. We'd love to help you out. So thank you much. Have a good day.